Hi people, how are you? Let me know below. Today I've made some changes in my laundry room because I have new washing machine. Miele broke, so that's why I've been inactive for the entire time, and now I'm doing express super short 90 degrees without spinning, and I am very curious about this washing machine. So this is how this looks like. I mean, it's getting water, right? And the first wash always has to be empty, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it because I have so much laundry to do, so I wanna take you with me and we're gonna do some laundry together, especially when you have some laundry to do as well. uh, I might motivate you to do your own, right? So the story to my washing machine is this had to be Siemens because I found some good offer on Siemens and I ordered it, and they were closed between Christmas and New Year. And yeah, then 3 days ago I got to hear that they already sold this machine out, so I was like, what the fuck. I ordered it at first because after I ordered it stopped being available, and then they saying it will be not mine because they sold it to someone else. So I was like, give me my money back. So then I wanted to order Amica, and so did I, but yeah, Amica is quite not my level. And then I thought of Beko since it's better than Amica to my taste. And yeah, right now it's washing on speed super express 90 degrees without spin, and yeah, there will be lots and lots of washing. Meanwhile, I've done some laundry refill. You can find it on my TikTok. I will put the link down below. And I also ordered some more Unstoppables, and you can see it on my TikTok. So the water is really hot now. Look at this dirt. This is all from the factory. That's why you always should wash empty washer first to rinse it out and prevent it to be on your clothing. Softener is still in here, so that's a good sign. And the water is around 60-70 degrees. I'm curious if she makes 2 or 3 rinses on that program, but it's yet to be known. So this was the first wash, the maintenance wash, empty wash, call it what you wanna. And now it is time for towels. I don't know how much will fit in there actually, but we'll find it out. And to that wash I'm gonna add Calgon, it's a little bit dissolved, but it doesn't matter. Calgon, and as detergent I'm going to use some Weisserize powder. Oh, the liquid thing is closed. Didn't know about that. Oh no, it's open. Sorry people. Okay. And as softener, I wanna try something new. So I will be using Bingo. I've bought some new stuff, and I will be using 1 cup, I think. Should be fine. Okay, we will see how this smells because I'm very curious about it. This is diluted one, and I use usually diluted softener for towels. Okay, and now to our drum we're gonna add our towels. Okay. So I'll be back when the drum will be loaded, and I will choose the program. So here we are again, not everything that fit, but it doesn't matter, I'm going to wash the parts. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to put it on cottons, 90 degrees, one time short, I guess, or no, I will just leave it like that, and here we go. Very curious about it. Did the cargo dissolve? Oh look. No, it actually did not. Because it's wet probably, that's why. You know what? That doesn't matter. Because I'll just take it and put it into the drum. This will be better, I guess. Okay. So this is how it looks like right now. Cannot help it much, but later I will just rinse it off like I usually do when I see some kind of dirt. I think I overloaded it a little. Well, I mean, this all would fit in the Miele, you know. So I was used to that, but this is a little bit different, I guess. So I'll be back over around an hour, half an hour, I will see. So I decided to pre-rinse towels because this thing fell out and I had to wipe the floor with something. So now these towels are pre-rinsing with a little bit of Ace Delicates, and the other ones are drying in the dryer on Baby Protect, and I use this softener, and I have to say it smells gorgeous on clothing. It's the first diluted softener that really smells on clothing, so I'm really happy about that. So the next wash are towels. These ones I rinsed, but I forgot to remove one packaging unit, so hopefully now everything is gonna be alright. So I'm pouring it all in, all of the towels, gorgeous. Actually, this can be washed like that. Okay, it goes only up to 1200. Doesn't matter. As detergent, I'm going to use Visir powder Alpine Fresh, 1 scoop. And Bingo Soft. Gorgeous softener. I will buy whenever I will have the possibility to, because these softeners are best. And of course, like always, Calcontrol. Let's wait a moment. How long does Stain Expert? No. Hygiene? No, I cannot. Okay. But what if I take cotton? 90 with... oh, no, I will just do express. Oh, I can even shorten it up, wow. But I don't wanna. Okay, here we go. I've been for 2 weeks without washing machine, so now I may finally enjoy, right? I have so much laundry to do. Unbelievable. I like it when it fills itself up like that, you know? Okay, I see you later. So it's 1 hour 18 minutes, the water is still cold, but it's foaming up gorgeous, like Visir does actually. So I will let it wash. So 23 minutes left, cooling down. I love this machine. For me, it's a bit better than Miele, I guess. So the laundry just finished. Oh, because you know, I still have some file in here, but I will leave it for now, I think. Okay, so here I got already 1 load of towels dried. Okay, and here is the other one. I love that Bingo scent. And look, right now it is very nice because I just take laundry from one machine and put it to the other straight away. And this washing machine is really so fast. I love that program. Oh my god. Okay. So I also want to show you how does like this automatic programming work. I mean that you can do it on your telephone. So here I put it, and I'll record my screen for you right now. So in here are all options. I selected easy care 60 degrees with 1200 rpm spin. I also took one time fast, and I did take one extra rinse. You can choose up to 5 rinses actually. I also took the steam option, so I was very looking forward to it because this would be something new for me. And yes, that's basically it. So as you can see, I just put synthetic wash on, and what I'm gonna do right now is just pour this bingo softener. I have there like stuff that I prefer not to be boiled, so you know what, I just think like I will go with persil tabs, which I love. So here we go. I also put some other stuff that wasn't visible on the video, but I just discovered like how much stuff is actually in there. I mean, how many things you can set as extra, like extra rinse that you normally do not have here, and also extra water and all that kind of stuff. I love it, love it, love it. So from now on I will be using it, but one thing that you really need next to Bluetooth is Wi-Fi. I didn't know about that actually. Oh, okay. It gets enough water actually. Interesting. But here it's not closing like it should at all, and here are scratches from the inside, so it's like I already contacted Beko about that, so I'm waiting for their answer, and I will keep you posted as well. But why is it here? I mean, why doesn't it get water from the main wash compartment? Okay, that's interesting. I'll keep you posted. So here we are here a little bit later, 1 hour 41 minutes left, and look, this is so nice. The steam is being launched, but the glass is cold. Interesting. So here we are with 1 hour left and 24 minutes on the dryer, and these are only 2 persil tabs, so this washing machine washes so well and so intensive. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So with that clip I will be finishing this video of today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next videos. Let me know what you think of it, and yes, I shall see you in the next one. Just take care. Bye!